Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you Ghana street pie. Most of the time the pies that we buy on the street are not flaky type. So this pie isn't flaky, and we are going to use chicken for it. So this is chicken pie. Okay, please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Consider sharing, like, and also click on the notification bell. Okay, so we are going to start by making our pie dough, and I'm going to use 3 cups of flour, soft flour. Okay, and also margarine. I'll leave the listed ingredients and its quantity: milk, grated onion, salt, and also nutmeg, as well as seasoning. Okay, I'm going to use some seasoning, which is also not compulsory. You can omit it. Okay, and so we'll pour our flour into our mixing bowl. We're going to add our nutmeg to it. We're also going to add our grated onion, and you also add in some spices, which is optional. Okay, and so mix everything together, and we are going to add margarine. Now, usually if I want to make flaking pie or rich pie, the flour I'm using is 750 grams. So like I will use 500 grams of butter to make this, but I'm using 250 grams of margarine to make this, so it's not going to flake, and we are going to activate the gluten too. So I'm going to add my milk to it. I'm going to add all, and when I realize that it's not enough, I'll also add a little bit of water, but don't just use too much water. Okay, just a little. So I make use of more of the milk instead of water. Okay, so mix everything together. Okay, and I'm going to sprinkle some water on it. Okay, and I'm going to knead it. When you knead it, you activate the gluten. So just kneading it, and then I'll make it in a ball form, round form, and then cover with cling film. So I'm going to cover this with cling film, and I'm going to leave it in my refrigerator for like 30 minutes while I prepare the filling. Yes, so please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share and comment for me. So this is my chicken, and I'm going to make use of carrots and onions. Yes, and also my seasoning and salt. So I'll sprinkle some of the seasoning and salt on the chicken, and then apply it all together, apply it all over. Yes. Okay, so we are mixing, and I already have my frying pan on fire with oil inside. Yes. Okay, so I'm adding oil in my pan, and I'm going to fry the chicken. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to cover, then give it time for it to fry very well. So we are going to turn it. Okay, so now the chicken is ready, and we are going to take everything out of the pan, and then we'll pour in our onions, a bit of it, stir it together. And we are going to slice the chicken into pieces. Yes, slice everything into pieces. Okay, so I've added all the chicken to my onions, and I'm going to stir fry this. I'll quickly add my carrots to it. Quickly add the carrots, everything. Okay, so I'll give it a little bit of water. I'll add more water to it. It will aid the cooking. Yes, so that my carrot and the chicken, everything will cook very well. So let's cover and then check it again. Okay, we are getting there. So I've added the rest of the onions. Some seasoning. Okay. So I didn't add salt to it again. But if you want to add salt, you can just adjust the salt to your preference. Okay, so I'm going to mix my cornstarch 1 tablespoon. You can also use flour for this. Yes, you can take 2 tablespoons of the flour for this. Okay, and I'm going to add everything too. Then we are going to cover and allow it to thicken up. Okay, so this is ready. We'll just pour and then leave it there for it to cool before we will start using it for our pie. Yes, so our dough from the fridge. Okay, here is it. So we are going to divide it. So this one, you can see the gluten has activated very well. So this one is not going to be flaky. If you are watching me and you have not watched my flaky pie dough or flaking pie, I'll leave the link there for you to know how to make rich, flaky or flaking pie. So just roll it. Okay, depending on the size and the thickness that you want. Yes, I'm going to use this to do my first cutting, but when I use this I realized that the size was small, so I changed it. And then, so you see, this is small for me. If I add my filling, I can't add much. Yes, so I'll put that one aside, and I'm going to use the cover of the big size of that container, 8 cover, to do the rest of the cutting or the shaping. Okay, so this one gave me the size that I want. Okay, okay, so this is the size. So this is it, the size and the thickness. Okay, so we are going to add our filling to it. Okay, so just fold it on top, and then we'll press the size all together. Okay, then I'm going to use my fork to create lines. Okay, please like this video for me, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. For me, this type of pie, if it's fresh from the oven, I'm able to eat it. But with the flaking ones, the rich ones, fresh from the oven, I'm not able to eat it. So this way of making pie has always been my all-time favorite. Yes, this method has been my all-time favorite because fresh from the oven, I'm able to eat it and enjoy it very well. But with the flaking rich one, unless I keep it in the fridge for the next day before I'll be able to enjoy it. Okay, so this is it. So we are going to create some holes on top with our fork. Just creating the holes, about 2 or 3 will be okay. And then I have some egg wash. Just whisk 1 egg and we are going to apply it on top. And we are going to bake this on a gas oven on a medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes, and that'll be okay. Yes. Okay, so time is up and our pie is ready. It's ready. Okay, so this is it, our street pie, our gluten pie. Our gluten pie, yes. So this is it. Give it a try, you will love it. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video for me. Click on the notification bell and do well to leave a comment. Watch out for another awesome sumptuous recipe. Bye bye.